I am Sivaramakrishna from Electrical Branch. Now I am working as Divisional Engineer, AP Transco. Previously I worked for Railways for 2 years and afterwards I skipped to APSCB, now AP Transco. I have only daughter, she is doing her 10th. So as a student of Andhra University, I always feel proud because this is a prestigious institution. So everybody who are the students of Andhra University, they are feeling proud till now for being a prestigious college student. Thank you.
Hello, I am Medidi Srinivasarao, called MSR. I am mechanical. Okay na? Hi, I am M. Srinivasarao, mechanical. Now presently I am doing in Vizag Steel Plant. I am doing as Assistant General Manager. I am looking after the water management department, activities of Vizag Steel Plant. So I feel proud to be a product from Andhra University. Thank you.
Hello, good evening all of you. I am Raghavendra Rao of 84-88 batch, Metallurgical Engineering. Huh? Okay, no. So I joined in Vizag Steel Plant. I am working in production planning department for the last 7 years. Earlier I was working in raw materials division for about 15 years. So today I have attended with my family, my Mrs. G. Nagamani and my daughter G. Prasuna, who is studying BTech final year electronics in Geetham Engineering College. So I feel very proud that I am a student of Andhra University, which has after studying here I got a good job in Vizag Steel Plant. That's all. Thank you, please.
Hi, this is Suresh Kumar. I am from ECE batch of 84-88. It's great to be here, meeting all my old friends after a gap of 25 years. So it's a great feeling to be uniting with all my friends in the Silver Jubilee occasion. Soon after my engineering, I joined NITI for my post-graduation, which is about 1.5 years. And then I joined a company called NOSIL in materials management. I was with NOSIL for almost 12 years plus in materials and manufacturing areas. And then I decided to jump into IT. I joined a small company in SAP practice. And then I joined Intel Bangalore in 2003. And I have been with Intel for the last 10 years now. Right now, I am program manager in Intel, managing SAP projects in logistics domain. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Mallikarjun Rao, K. Mallikarjun Rao. My roll number in Mechanical Engineering 609. So, I passed out 1988. Presently I am working in Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. Last 25 years I am working in Visakhapatnam Steel Plant in the Energy Management Department. I am having 2 kids. My wife, one is Sri. My kids' name is Srilaya. Second one is Shreya. They are studying 9th and 7th. I am happy to meet you all in this program. I wish you best of luck everyone. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Krishna Kumar from Chemical Engineering. Now I am working for Qatar Petroleum in Qatar. She is my wife Radhika and my only daughter Diksha. Thank you.
I'm R.R.K. Raju. My wife Sridevi, daughter Saumya, son Manish. I'm working in Vizag Steel for the past 23 years. About the college, more than the infrastructure and faculty, what matters really is the company that you get from the other students. I can confidently say that this college has given me the best company. Thank you very much. That's all.
Right. Hi, I am M. Srinivas Rao, also called MSR, mechanical. Presently, I am doing in Vizag Steel Plant. My designation is Assistant General Manager. I am now looking after some of the water management activities of Vizag Steel Plant. So I always feel proud to be a product of Andhra University Engineering College. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Kiran Kumar Manikyam. I am working as Assistant General Manager in Andhra in Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. Presently, I am in a job related to IT field, and my wife is Samatha. She is a postgraduate. I did MSc in Environmental Studies. I have one daughter. She is currently studying in 9th standard in Delhi Public School. Okay, thank you.
I am Satyanarayana from Chemical Engineering Department. I am working with Saint Gobain company, and this is my wife Sudharani, and this is my daughter Hema. She is studying third year Chemical Engineering in Andhra University. Son is studying first inter in Ascent. Wife is a housewife. Thank you.
Hello, I am Srinivas Savaram, and this is my wife Shashi. She is a doctor. I am from the Chemical Engineering Department. We have a consulting company. I am working in the consulting company in Vizag right now, and she is a practicing gynecologist. Thank you.
నా పేరు ఫణీంద్ర కొండపి అండి. నేను 84-88 బ్యాచ్ కెమికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేశాను. ఆ తర్వాత ఎంటెక్ కూడా ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీలో చేసి పిహెచ్డి టెన్నిసీ టెక్లో చేశాను. ప్రస్తుతం నేను ఎఫ్ఎంసీ టెక్నాలజీస్లో ఇంజనీరింగ్ మేనేజర్గా చేస్తున్నాను. దాంతోపాటు యూనివర్సిటీ ఆఫ్ హ్యూస్టన్లో అడ్జంక్ట్ ప్రొఫెసర్గా కూడా చేస్తున్నాను. నా వైఫ్ పేరు లక్ష్మి, అండ్ ఎల్డర్ డాటర్ ఈజ్ అన్విత, అండ్ యంగర్ డాటర్ ఈజ్ ఆశ్రిత. నా విజన్ ఏంటంటే హౌ డు వీ గివ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద యూనివర్సిటీ అన్నది, అండ్ ఆల్సో టు ఇనిషియేట్ ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీ ఆల్umni అసోసియేషన్, అండ్ ఆల్సో టు గివ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ దట్ వీ కెన్ డూ టు ద యూనివర్సిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నా పేరు ఇంటూరు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు, అందరూ ఐవీఆర్ అంటూ ఉంటారు. నేను బీటెక్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఐఐటి మద్రాసులో ఎంటెక్ చేశాను. ఆ తర్వాత యుఎస్లో పిహెచ్డి చేశాను. మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మెటీరియల్స్ మీద చేశాను. అదే రీసెర్చ్ వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. ఇంకా సీగేట్ టెక్నాలజీలో పనిచేస్తాను నేను, ప్రాసెస్ ఇంజనీర్గాను. నా భార్య పేరు సుధా. నాకు ఇద్దరు మగపిల్లలు ఉన్నారు. ఒకళ్ళు ఏమన్నా 15 ఏళ్ళు, ఇంకొకళ్ళు ఏమన్నా 10 ఏళ్ళు. They will go to 10th grade and 5th grade. Okay? And all the best for all of you. Bye.
I'm Dr. Rama Devi, 84-88 batch metallurgy from Andhra University. This is Ramya and this is Shravya.
I am Murthy Raju, civil engineering, 84-88 batch. And my missus, she is Anuradha, and is my son, Mr. Tinku Mahesh Voma, and my daughter Anita. Now I am working in NCL Industries Limited as general manager. Yep.
I am Anil Kumar CH. I passed out in 1988. After that, I joined in the same university in MTech in industrial engineering section. I continued for 4 months in MTech course. After that, I got a job in Vizag Steel Plant. I joined there, and for the last 25 years, I am working there. Now I am in the position of Assistant General Manager. It gives me an immense pleasure to be associated with all my friends and other colleagues here. He has 1984-88 alumni. So I have my wife Sunita Kumari. I am blessed with son and daughter. My daughter Anisha. Unluckily, my son is not right now here at present. I wish all the members, including my family, greetings for the coming years. Thank you.
Srinivas Panaganti, 8488 Civil Engineering branch. After civil, I completed my MTech Computer Science in the same Andhra University and joined TCS as a software engineer. Well, I'm still continuing in the software field, currently working as a Senior Vice President in Polaris Financial Technology. My wife Padma Jyoti, she's not working. My daughters Akhila and Amani, they're 18 and 17. I wish all my batchmates happy reunion. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Rama Devi, 8488 pass out. Degree అయ్యాక ఎంటెక్ చేశాను, తర్వాత స్టీల్ ప్లాంట్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. స్టీల్ ప్లాంట్లో నవ్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ యాజ్ AGM ప్రొడక్షన్ ప్లానింగ్ అండ్ మానిటరింగ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్. I have also done my PhD from Andhra University. She is my elder daughter Ramya. She has completed her BTech in computer science and going to US. And she is Shravya. She is in final year metallurgy. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity, and I congratulate all the organizers for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello. Good evening. నా పేరు రవి కుమార్. నేను 8488 కెమికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేశాను. 88 to 90 IIT కాన్పూర్లో మళ్ళీ కెమికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేశాను. I joined Engineers India Limited in 1990 and I was there till 2001. In between, I did my PhD from Imperial College on Commonwealth Fellowship from 1995 to 1999. From 2001 onwards, I am with Bharat Petroleum, working on refinery processes, research and development activities related to refinery processes mainly. So my main areas of interest are FCC, hydroprocessing and other refinery processes. So my family lo nenu mother is with me and I have got one daughter. She is in 6th standard and son is in 1st standard. Okay. Thank you.
Myself is Durga Prasad. I passed out in engineering college from mechanical branch in 8488 and here is my family, Anita, my wife, and my children Sharat and Jashwant. We are very thankful to the Andhra University to given me this opportunity to become an engineer from the engineering college and had a career in engineering line. I am very happy in sharing my experience. Okay. Thank you.
I am Jagdishwara Conregula, 1984-88 chemical branch. Now I am doing as a faculty member to give the coaching in mathematics for IIT, JEE mains and advanced examinations. My better off name is Jagdishwari. She is housewife. My elder daughter, she is doing her computer science in Bollai College. My elder son, Yugandhar Sujan Sekhar, is doing chemical engineering in Maharaja College. Now my youngest son, K. Yugandhar Naid, is going to join in engineering studies soon. Thank you very much.
నా పేరు దత్తాత్రేయ, కెమికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ 8488. My wife and younger one could not join. This is Pranav, the elder one, and he's studying in 3rd standard. I reside in Hyderabad and I have a software company and also marketing company. I'm on my own, right? Thank you.
Okay. Hi friends, this is Priyadan from Chemical Engineering. Presently I am working with the HPCL as a technical manager. This is my wife. She's working in AMC Andhra Medical College. We blessed her two children. One is studying 12th standard and second one is studying in Tempany School 9th standard. Thank you. Thanks one and all.
First of all, great to be here with all my friends. After my graduation, after those golden days in Andhra University Engineering College, I worked for Ashok Leyland for almost 2 years. Thereafter, I have worked in a lot of companies, almost 10 companies. Now I'm working as a GM operations in a mini blast furnace near Srikakulam. I look after production. I'm blessed with our son and daughter. My son is doing chemical engineering in Gayatri Engineering College, and my daughter she'll join in Gayatri Engineering College in a few days from now. Happy days once again, and thank you all guys.
Hi, good evening. This is Venu Avadhanla, and this is my better of Krishna Veni, and this is Rahul and Rohit. Okay, I'm from McMahon, and after my graduation, I joined Merchant Navy and sailed for 11 years before joining Drydox World Dubai in 2002. And for the last 11 years, I'm working with Drydox as production manager. Okay, and Rohit is in IB second year, and Rahul is in 6th grade. Thank you.